Welcome. Today I will show you how to install Google Chrome browser in Windows 10. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. So, let's start it. First, open the Microsoft browser. In the search bar type, Google Chrome Download English. Click on this website. Then click on Download Chrome button. Click Save button. Click on Open Folder button. Now folder with your file will open and then right-click on Chrome Setup File. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes button. Google Chrome will now be installed on your computer. Wait a few minutes. Google Chrome will automatically open after installation. Now click on Get Started button and I will then click Skip 3 times. Here I will click No Thanks. I will put Google Chrome in taskbar. I will open Chrome browser and then click on Set as Default. Now on this window I will select Google Chrome app. This is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.